Alright, here we go. You're going to do the video of the drive? Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Turn that Cummins on, sir.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Janet Karen C92. Am I to bring the,
Just take your time, sir. It does take a bit of time sometimes. Turn on.
Did you get all those runs? Getting down and updated where we're at. So give me a moment. 10-4, I'm on Grade Creek, so I'll take my time. I 136 base clear. 10-4, Jamie, thank you.
There's another revision there.
Oh, yeah. Maybe they're taking 2 buses.
Yeah, I think 2 about revisions of the Campbell Cross
back here,
lines.
please, thank you. Robin to base. Go ahead, Robin.
There's your Santa right there.
No, it'll be there by around 9:27.
I think doing the ride would be a better video to put on the channel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
To the base, I'm
Just probably
at
so I can get the
Village
sound of
in
the
Lake
nice
Forest.
sound of the engine and stuff. That blue revision is, I think,
Gabby,
number
the first stop is South Beach and
688.
South Village. And then the next one is 1296 South Beach at the pathway.
10-4. How many kids for this one?
The first stop is 3 and the second stop is 2.
Here's the
72 to base.
Go ahead.
I got a truck in the loading zone at St. Bernard and I cannot make the turn.
Whoa. Went on the concrete a little bit.
That's okay, honey. It's got to make...
10-4, I'll look up the number
Yeah,
of
it is a big tire though.
Yeah, they can handle it.
Big
Our
buses
brains
are
are
big
there.
enough to like drive
Honey,
on.
does he have to come off, honey, because they're coming on? What do you say to the driver?
Thank
Say
you.
to the driver, okay?
Mm.
Thank you, thank you.